Agna. Well, if you read it, it says A-N-N-A, which is Anna, but the locals call it Agna. So it's like Albufera de Anna, and it's beautiful.
I mean, it's not massive, but through there they have a little swimming area, and it does cost €3 a head to get in, but you can spend all day here. That kiosk at the moment is shut, but there is a restaurant up that way where all the parking is, and there's a kiosk over there that has umbrellas up and tables out, so I'm assuming that one's open, but it might not be. It's a lovely place, and in the summer they used to have boat rides here. I can't see any boats over there, but that's because of the COVID, obviously. There's lots of fish in the water. Got children, it's a lovely place to come. Feed the fish, feed the ducks, play in the pool, walk around the lake here. It's lovely. Just through there you've got the kids' little paddling area, and then right next to it there is a restaurant there. Fortunately it's open, because the other two kiosks are shut. Might only be open at weekends, I expect. If you don't want to come here at a weekend, it's far too busy. One thing you do notice when you're incapacitated with a broken ankle is, Marion's in a wheelchair, but she's up there somewhere. Gooey! A lot of these paths are not suitable. Well, I mean, this path is not too bad, but it's to get down onto it is a bit tricky, but we'll try. It's a lovely place though. Don't come at the weekends though, far too busy. Mind you, the kiosk might be open then. Right next to the lake. A little swimming area for kids and adults alike. Not really swimming, but cool, refreshing water coming off the cliff there. Nice little area. Looks like it's popular, I think. Give the kids something to do. Why don't you come down here? Just a tree stump, a few rocks. Yeah. Oh, some more tree stumps.
Yeah, I can just see you. Help! Yeah, and out of all the lakes, that's all beautiful. Look where I'd end up.
There are only leaves. That's where the wind's blowing it across.
It's like out of all the places he could have stopped to stop, look where he'd stop next to, behind. Nice big bit of metal. Oh dear, beautiful.